Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Then this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Pioneer style and beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of messy hairstyle. Very attractive and latest ideas of messy hairstyle in different haircut. So attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so attractive ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut. And the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut. Cropped haircut, and different ideas of bang. And so beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas: funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful collection of base color. Light base color, dark base color, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls or women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look younger. You look very smart. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it on all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.